Hey, what's up guys, Ultimate Gamer here, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm here with my little brother, Adrian, and soon we're gonna have our sister, Lindsay, come in as well in a little bit. She's taking a shower, and, today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be reacting to a couple Google searches of bootleg toys. So we're gonna go on Google Images here, and, you stupid idiot. We have Special Man.
Special Man.
Special Man, but his fucking head looks like a Disney character. Right. Super Wonderful Mario. What the
What the fuck?
What the fuck is this shit? Harry Potter, but it's fucking so... I'm done. Do you have different ones than me?
No. I don't know if you've seen this.
Mighty...
I don't know if you've seen this as a child, but I don't know if you've seen this show before. It's called Goose.
Goof. Franz Tromer's Dark of the Moon. Fucking remember growing up with these toys. No, I'm joking. Action Heroes. Agent, this is the one that you showed me.
Fish Ombre. Yeah, where's Fish Ombre? Oh shit.
Sense of...
What? Last time I watched Utopia, I don't remember them looking like this.
Oh
I don't know
god.
if you guys seen this movie. It's like a Star Trek. It's called Gay Enterprise. They made some figures of them.
I need some water. Sensory. Majorly Squish. Oh shit! I remember these toys from Toy Story 3. What the fuck? What the hell happened to Mickey Mouse? Holy shit, he looks like a bulldog.
You guys heard of Outdoor Heroes?
I can't take this shit seriously. We haven't seen these, but we were in our living room right now before we thought of this video.
Have you heard
And
of
we
Superman?
were laughing our asses off.
Superman.
Yeah, you guys remember that Star Wars character? Headman.
I don't.
Hey, I remember this show. It came before Ghostbusters, Spook Chasers.
Last time I checked, I don't remember if Pokemon was spelled like that.
Pachimon. Is that Pachimon?
I think that's what it said.
Pachimon. Pachimon Go. What's that?
Toby.
Oh my fucking goodness.
Toby 1.
What the shit is this? This looks creepy as shit. Just wait till I start laughing hard again, like how I was. The E-Walking Dead.
The E-Walking Dead. Oh shit.
Oh, you just fucking changed, you idiot. E-Walking Dead. Superhero Justice League has our Superhero Justice League has Spider-Man, Batman, Naruto, and Metal Man. Yeah.
Christmas just passed, and I asked for a couple Star Wars toys. I got a fucking E3PO. I got a fucking E3PO.
It has a fucking BT. Oh shit. This is what happens when you have fucking asthma and then you laugh so hard. That shit happens. That fucking weird sound. Fist Ombre. Ombre Fist. What the shit is this? This fucking Hulk.
I want to watch Shrek 2. I also want the backpack for Christmas, even though it passed.
Fuck the Ninja Turtles, bro. You want some Pirate Turtles? Thomas the Dank Transformer. Oh, I'm gonna hold my phone.
Bionicle World War II.
Hey, so I actually saw a review on that toy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was Mr. Evil Cheese who reviewed it. I can't remember who it was. But so, what the shit is this? This makes me lose hope in humanity. A Thomas gun? What the shit? Stick bang. This is the face of Woody that says he just banged your girl. I mean, look at...
He busted nut.
Oh my god, it's fucking Woody. We've seen most of it. Not this one again, Adrian. Adrian, it's the fucking sound. We have the Superman Alliance right here. Shrek is obviously supposed to be Superman right here in this case. I just realized, this is a fucking McDonald's toy. Adrian, this is the Shrek McDonald's toy. We even have this one.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
What?
Sonic fucking controls himself.
I saw that. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, the giant Sonic robot looks actually pretty dope. A couple of these bootleg toys are actually dope. There's like an Iron Man one that Adrian just passed. It looks pretty sick, to be honest, in my opinion. Oh my fucking god, and I'm back to this one again. The Sense of Right Allegiance. Oh shit. Alright. The Sense of Right Allegiance includes a yellow Power Ranger, Superman, Special Man,
I think there's gonna
Batman, Spider-Man, and Shrek.
I think there's gonna be a new Sun and Moon series coming in. Jesse and James and Meowth
Oh my
look
fucking god,
a
not
bit
this
different. They look a bit different.
One. Welcome to the Alola region, everybody. Fucking, I didn't know Cars was a superhero. Oh shit, he's in the toy packaging!
My friends asked me if I had a PS4. I said no. I have a Polystation.
Politic Pat. It includes an Electrokid. What's this other fucking mouse Pokemon? Pikachu, and who else is this? Slowking is right there, by the way. Is that Igglybuff? No, it's Jigglypuff. God damn it, Hershey. Pocket Monica. I wish I can go to Santa Monica. Most of these bootlegs are actually fucking Pokemon. A tortoise. Ninja Tortoise. Oh, Adrian, I'm gonna tell you what I said about the Zootopia characters. Fuck it. What's her name again? Judy?
Jonas?
Judy, huh? No, wasn't it Junie Hops? Junie, huh?
I think.
This hoe has a fucking beard. Looks like Walter White looking ass. And then this fucker, he looks like he just snorted coke. No, he looks like he bashed his table. He bashed his head against the. No, he bashed his head against a table filled with fucking cocaine. Just went. It's like no chill. Holy shit! I fucking count these, dude. Look at me. She's trying to look at her fucking nose. Look. Bear of the interest, you guys. Oh, come on, now you don't want. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Bear of the interest, Adrian.
The new Avengers movie is coming out 2017 summer.
No, yeah, actually, yeah, Infinity War.
Fuck yeah.
Look
Infinity.
at that. Look at that shit. Look at that new fucking Avengers member. Right there.
Infinity War.
Dog life, and it's a Gengar toy. To be honest, if this actually looked more like Gengar, that would have been pretty cool for Hershey, wouldn't it?
No.
The Gengar toy? A little chew toy? Oh, you know what? I make fun of these bootleg Star Wars toys, but I mean, you got Princess Leia in here, bro. That's not funny. You got Princess Leia here. Rip Carrie Fisher. She actually died yesterday, as when we're recording this video, December 27th. So, you know, I'd actually laugh at these. I'm not gonna lie to you, they look actually pretty good, in my opinion.
Yeah, except for E3PO.
Oh my god, Agent, shut the hell up. Don't even. And except Darth Vader. I mean, he looks like he has a giant alien head, but we're just gonna roast the shit out of that Darth Vader. But Carrie Fisher, we're leaving you alone. And her mom even died earlier today.
Hold up.
Like 8.
I gotta resemble something.
Oh no, what the fuck are you gonna do? Oh god. Look at this Misty, dude. She looks high as shit.
Oh shit. Toy of the white bitch from Ghostbusters.
Wait, what white bitch?
You
That's
see-
a guy, you idiot!
No, that one right there.
But this is a guy! Fucking
Spooky chasers.
no,
Go
Adrian,
buy
no!
it now.
Adrian, no, you're gonna trigger the feminist!
Oh shit.
They didn't even spell warriors right either. I mean, look at that fucking Yoda, dude. He looks like he smoked a bunch of shit. Adrian, look. This Yoda.
We got the fucking Luke Skywalker toy up in here with his dildo lightsaber.
I actually have that one. Sadly enough.
It even bends.
Funny toys, Teletubbies. Super Mariano. Adrian, look. Adrian, the unibrow looks like Wallace.
Holy shit.
What the fuck is this?
The high pitched voice. I don't know if you guys heard about
Yo, you fucking.
the new movie X-Team.
Hey guys, look at the new fucking Batman. I'm hyped for the new Justice League movie. Look, Adrian, we're gonna see Batman in Justice League.
Brick.
Oh, you know, I'd say this, but then I'm just gonna fucking get a bunch of hate.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, we knocked that down. This Woody's just fucking ejaculating all over the place. This fucking. What is that? Oh, it's another one of those.
A changeable beast.
I could have sworn its name was a Ditto. Adrian. Hey, apparently they added dildo to it.
What the fuck is this?
Darth Macho. What the fuck? I'm done. Hey, you guys remember the movie that came out recently on Netflix that came out last year? Or no, early. Was it 2015? The Angry Birds movie came out?
No, came out this year.
Oh. Well, this game is a lot fucking better, you guys. It's called the Ill-Tempered Birds. Power. Just fucking power.
Power?
Yeah, power. Just fucking power, and it's a Hulk toy. Oh no. No, not this one. So, you guys remember RoboCop? Yeah, this is Robert Cop.
Robert Cop 2.
Bum 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 bum. I'm gonna get a copyright strike on this.
Fucking Robert Cop.
Alright, you guys, so here we have Adrian here. He's eating mango. Lala, she's eating Doritos. Nothing. I'm just gonna laugh at these bootleg toys. Me and Adrian already got a head start from Lala, but yeah. So Lala, go.
This is a legit food review.
Alright, come on. You didn't even. Oh my god, dude. Dude, I said bootleg, not bootleg.
Oh, I thought you said bootleg.
I said bootleg. My God. Bootleg there.
Bootleg toys.
Yeah, I'll catch you
Camera
up to
girl,
speed
can you
shortly.
pass me a napkin?
Shut the hell up, Adrian, camera girl. Right, hold on. Right, we are so far. Oh no, here we are. Right. Ah, shit. Oh, look. Hold on, look at this. Superhero team fell. Bootlegging McQueen. So, we were gonna show all the, funny
That wasn't
bootleg toys, but we're very far away from the camera, and I'm not gonna risk it. Well, goddamn it. I'm not gonna risk getting a copyright strike. I saw this one too. I already showed them it. My boy. Look at his face.
I know this face.
This is a high ass Teletubby boy.
Oh, it's a tail. Damn. Oh.
Knight Rider becomes
Yeah.
Robert. Wait, Robert?
These aren't as funny to me anymore. I've already seen all of them.
Why?
God,
There's a bunch of repeats here. God damn it. I would say this one out loud, but.
Breast chaser. Breast chaser. Oh, yeah.
Wait, what happens if we look up funny cheap toys?
Oh, this is a toy name.
No, don't say enough. Shit out of here.
It sounds like a
Spider-Man Adventure Hero.
Sound like a dying patient.
Beat Spider-Man.
I have cancer.
Spider-Man Adventure Hero. Barry.
Oh, I saw that.
Spider-Man.
Me and Adrian were cracking our asses over that in the bedroom. God damn it, how do I do bootleg toys?
Bootleg movies.
Oh my, yes, Lala, look up bootleg movies.
Bootleg video games.
I was gonna say.
Oh, you remember when we saw Pokemon Go?
Pokemon Go movie.
Okay, so bootleg.
Bootleg, like boot and then leg.
Oh, okay.
Bootleg.
X-Files. Oh wait, is that X-Files?
That's the Matrix. Oh my God. Star Wars. This Star Wars 8 is looking lit. It's literally just the Shrek remake.
What?
Tappy toes.
I'm gonna catch up.
Happy feet.
I feel so wasted in life.
Where are you
We used to
guys?
play that.
Where are you guys?
Not funny bootleg. Oh my God, again.
Pac-Man.
Just bootleg movies. Your phone
Whoa,
is not. Go bring your goddamn charger, dude.
Samari.
Oh, it's fine.
Your phone's gonna die, dude. I don't even charge mine right now. Hold on. Bootleg Zootopia toys. Alright, we're back. Hershey over here dropped the camera.
X Game 360.
Frozen Land and the Legend of Cirilla.
What?
I'm sorry, I'm not even listening, guys.
Oh my God. Frozen Land.
Oh shit.
I honestly don't see a difference.
Oh,
I'm over here.
What?
Evil. Shay.
What?
Hold up, I saw something. Oh my god,
What was it?
The Pika Boy 2.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I've lost hope in humanity, dude.
Harry Potter. 2.
Wreck 2. Wreck. It's not even Shrek. Oh, you're there too.
What was that?
What?
The cringe. I mean, the cringe. The cringe.
The grunge. Wait, is this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the grunge. Not cringe. Cringe isn't a. Cringe isn't a personality. I learned that from a very wise man.
Gordy? No. Oh.
I learned that from a very wise
I
man.
like that movie.
God damn it! Oh, can you
What's
stop?
the Fungus the bug.
The boogeyman. Wait, you're seeing this shit too?
Yeah.
These guys are from Monster.
Oh yeah.
Hershey's apologizing for
Let me see.
knocking down the damn camera. Where are you at, boy? I'm done. Did you just see the SpongeBob?
Yeah.
A day with SpongeBob SquarePants.
Wanna know where I'm at? I'm at Pokemon Go the movie. King Hulk.
I want to die.
Is he seriously dabbing?
King Hulk.
No, right there. Is he dabbing?
Who? Hulk?
No, right here.
Abomination?
Whatever his name is.
Honestly, he's not. I mean, his hand's like this.
He's like that.
You Hulk or
No, whatever his name is. I don't know who the hell.
Abomination? He's not that. He's like this. Oh, you
Oh, I know that arm.
This arm?
This arm.
That arm's like this. Oh, you
Oh, I know that arm.
This arm?
This arm.
That arm's like this. It's like Charmeleon.
And then King Kong here's a better than the
Oh my god. Oh,
brick.
oh I know.
Here's the brick.
I heard that.
What?
All you need to look up on YouTube just to find that out is cheap rip-off movies. Top 10 rip-off movies or something. Adrian, we are number 1.
Yeah.
Tappy what?
Happy Potter.
What the shit?
Oh my god. Please don't ruin this movie for me.
What? Oh no.
We're gonna do another reaction video.
Um,
Ball Z movie collection.
I'll smack the shit on you, boy. As I was saying, oh my god, now what? My Little Pony. I saw this in Mexico. I don't get it. It's My Little Pony. Oh my god. No,
Alien vs.
I'm not
Predator.
turning into Jinx.
Ooh!
No. What?
Alien vs. Predator 6.
That's not even a goddamn alien. That's Godzilla for crying out loud.
Wait. The Alien vs. Predator. Yeah, 6. I'm sorry.
I guess we pretty much just checked out all the bootleg toys. If you want for yourself, you can look this up on Google, any platform. Can you shut up for a minute? I'm trying to end the video. God damn it. You can go on your laptop, your iPad, your phone. You can even go on your Poly Station.
Poly Station.
And you can watch these, or you can not watch. You can laugh your ass off at these bootleg toys that we were laughing our asses off.
Yeah. You can go on your X Game 360. Yeah.
What? Meow. I know, those are the ones from Frozen. Those are the ones that you asked for sale. Or Frozen. Oh my god. I mean, the ones from Zootopia, remember? That one scene? Don't ask why I watched it, alright?
It was a family movie night.
Not only that, but I have seen it once in 6th grade. You wanna know why? My teacher, who shall not be named, but my friends probably know him already, you know, from 34.
I know him.
Upper C. Shut the hell up, Igor.
Mr.
He played. Shut the. I'm gonna go kick your
Mr.
ass
Carroll.
right now. Anyways, I'm already gone. I'm gone, boy. Anyways, you can look up if you stop like munching your Doritos over here. Do Mountain Dew. Get the.
Mountain Dew.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
I'm drinking Mountain Dew.
I'm gonna
Do it.
Ding memes.
No, take me.
You can cut it out.
Shut the hell up. Anyways, y'all,
Dang me.
shut the.
I'm gonna do it.
No, don't. You already did it. Get the hell out of here.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't. Adrian,
Hit him.
At least let me just do the outro. God damn.
Hit him with ding.
Anyways, you guys can check out these bootleg toys on your own on Google Images.
Wait.
If you oh, shut up. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to leave a like, rating, and comment down below if we should do some more of these bootleg stuff reactions, Jinx videos.
Maybe even buy some.
Shut the hell up. Even don't. No, we're not wasting money.
Yeah,
on that.
maybe even buy
God
some.
damn it, Adrian, shut up. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.